Today, let's talk about and have a guided meditation around finding the little ways that we can build or rebuild our confidence, even when we think we cannot. Maybe we feel like we're too far behind or too far deep or too buried. So let's take some time to truly get grounded and get quiet and do a short guided meditation. So I recommend you finding some place that's quiet to sit, that you won't be interrupted, that you can take this time just for you. And if you want to, I invite you to grab some paper and something to write with. I'm not going to ask you to journal or write anything. However, a lot of the clients that I go through meditation with, things come to them during meditation or after meditation, and it's very easy to pick up that paper and write it down so you won't forget. So either way works for me. So let's get started. Feel free to pause at any time and come back to this, or replay it as many times as you like. That would be great. So let's get started. So let's get quiet. Close our eyes if that is comfortable for you, and take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. And that may be the first time today that you have really noticed your breath. So let's do that again. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Please note that during guided meditation, your brain is going to keep going. That's what your brain does. And so if your mind wanders during this meditation, try not to judge. Try not to get frustrated. Just thank your brain for reminding you or bringing something up, and then say to yourself, I'm taking this time for me. I will get back to you in a minute. And bring it right back to your breath. And you can take a deep inhale and exhale then if you'd like, just to sort of recalibrate and get yourself grounded again. So I would like for you to take your attention to the bottoms of your feet. And notice if your feet are cold or warm. Notice if they're in socks, shoes, barefoot. Notice if it is on hardwood or carpet. Maybe you're laying down. And for the next few minutes, just allow yourself to be here, to listen to my voice, and take this time for you. Feel that support of the chair or bed or ground or wherever you are. Feeling that energy coming up from the earth to you. Release any places in your body that may be holding tension right now. I hold mine in my shoulders, so sometimes I like to raise my shoulders toward my ears. Taking a deep breath in, then exhale, releasing them down. Some of you may hold them in your neck, and you can move your head from side to side, doing some slight, easy stretches. Maybe releasing that jaw or the tongue from the top of your mouth. You may be here today because confidence feels far away. Or you may not even believe that it's possible to increase your confidence right now. Or maybe you're at a point where you feel confident, but you want just a little more push. We're all in a different place and on a different journey. But if you're listening, at some level, you're ready to increase your confidence. Reclaim that confidence. The biggest thing is that you showed up. And that is an act of self-love. And so you were telling yourself, I am ready to begin. I am ready to heal. I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to level up. You are ready. And so I ask today to give yourself this space to know that you may not have it all figured out, and that's okay. That you are learning to trust yourself, to love on yourself, and to do better for yourself. And even when doubt shows up, you can show up for yourself as well. Now, I want you to think, sense, and feel that you are standing in a beautiful, peaceful garden. It is a beautiful day. Not too hot, not too cold. There's a breeze. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. You feel at peace. You feel calm, and you feel safe. You notice in your hand there's a small seed. And in that seed holds your confidence. Now, your seed may feel small and fragile, but it is real. Your seed may be huge and chunky and heavy. It is real. Your confidence may already be a seedling, and it's ready to be planted to grow exponentially. Either way, it's yours, and you are ready to plant it. So you walk through the garden and you find the most perfect place to plant your seed. You press it into the soil. You cover it with love and care. Maybe send it some love, some intention, some kindness. And now that this seed is planted, you get to choose how you're going to tend to it. Maybe it's kindness. Maybe it's setting a boundary. Maybe it's making changes in your health, lifestyle. Imagine, sense, and feel that seed sprouting slowly, steadily, growing taller and taller with each breath. You don't have to force it. It goes at your pace, the pace that you need it to go to grow on your journey. You do have to show up. You have to water that seed. You have to keep coming back again and again to build and help that seed grow. It is okay if it's difficult to see that. It's okay if it's easy. But know you have the power to change that negative self-talk, to take that first scary step. Because when you do those things, your confidence grows. And you can find that it is growing slowly, steadily, and taller, which with each little step that you take. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale gently out the mouth. And I would like for you to repeat quietly in your mind, it's okay to start small. I am rebuilding one step at a time. Placing one palm flat on the heart space and the second on top of the first. Feeling your breath, feeling your heartbeat. Sending yourself some love and gratitude for taking this time for yourself. Take a deep breath in and exhale. You're welcome to stay here as long as you'd like. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.